Good morning to one and all. My name is Madhav Sai. In this video, I would like to present the evolution of television from 1920s to today. In 100 years, the TV has taken many shapes and sizes. Here is the history of television from 1920s to today. 1920s. The 1920s gave us the mechanical television. The first model had a small display on the right and huge cabinet. The first TVs were very simple in comparison to our new technology today. They implemented peculiar shapes such as the octagon television. Although the technology was impressive, the video quality was not. Facial features were not recognizable unless the makeup was worn in a specific way. 1930s. In the 1930s, we saw more refined televisions with better designs and resolutions. This decade saw a giant leap in video quality from 100 scan lines at the start of the decade to 405 lines. 1940s. The 1940s brought us even higher resolutions, including the NTSC standard. It is of 400 lines of resolution and better audio quality. In the 1940s, it was difficult to produce CRT screens larger than 12 inches, so big screen TVs implemented projection techniques. 1950s. The 1950s brought us the short-lived part-through televisions, but most importantly, it brought us the NTSC color standards. But not many color televisions were sold until the following decade. 1960s. The sales of color TVs born in the 1960s. They were now more affordable and the colors were more vivid. The high-end TV sets also included a new invention in this decade. 1970. The 1970s brought TV designs for every taste and need. There was the upgradable televisions with easily accessible circuit boards. The futuristic televisions which implemented curvy design patterns. The colorful TVs that looked more like toys. The portable carbos which normally included radios and cassette discs. 1980. The 1980s was the end of the TV as a furniture era. These were replaced with color projection TVs with larger screens and mini cabinets. The Space Command was one of those color projection TVs. The 1980s gave way to the first LCD TV. They were tiny and pixelated, but it was a huge step forward. Portable CRT TVs were a lot more affordable and included with additional functions. 1990s. The decade was all about Sony's Trinitron technology. As Sony's patent had run out, all competitors were free to use the technology. TV combos became really popular in the 1990s. They included FM radio and VCR facility. VCR means video cassette recorder. In the 1990s, Casio continued to improve their portable LCD TVs. A preview of one of the biggest tech of the following decade was introduced at the end of the 1990s. The flat HD TV priced around $7,000. 2000. Throughout this decade, CRT TVs were still very popular as they were inexpensive and could access the HD channels using a converter box. During this decade, LCD tech was finally able to compete with plasma, giving us LCD HD TVs. Then LED TVs arrived which were superior to both. A few brands experimented with ambience lighting to make the TVs more immersive. Through the decade, HD TVs became pretty smart. They were able to display content from your computer as well as connect to different services on the internet. 2010. We started the 2010 with the best combination of tech money can buy: 4K, LED and 3D, which all had just been introduced. Curved screens became the premium feature for a few years. It was meant to reduce glare and improve immersion. By taking advantage of our peripheral vision, This works well for computer monitors, but it is barely noticeable on TVs. Something truly impressive was the introduction of wallpaper TVs. These are almost as thin as credit card. The latest feature is ambient mode. It lets you match your TV to your decor. It allows you to display your TV as art or to match your wallpaper. 2020 2020 promises many new technologies such as the rollable TV. It is completely hidden when it's off, and when it's on, it grows to the size of the content or application. This is great for calendar and music apps and avoids the black bar lines in extra wide movies. This is another discrete TV technology, that is transparent glass TV, but it will likely be used more for decoration and art rather than entertainment. Double-sided TVs will also be implemented in 2020 and they were mostly used for gaming purpose. Technology is changing really fast and so are our TVs. What do you think is the next evolution of television? Thank you one and all.